Knelt to pray today, but no one was listening.
Baik, langsung sampai saja Pak. Di sini Pusalop BPBD Kota Banda Aceh. Tunggu instruksi dari rekan-rekan lain
Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? To know if you beat the shoulder that I need, I want to go. So take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken to Neverland.